So, yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can tame an ocelot in Minecraft 1.19. And this video will help you in any kind of versions of Minecraft that you are using. So if you are having any kind of version that got ocelot and fish, you will be able to follow my steps and it will still work for you. So let's get ahead and open our single player world, and let's wait and let's load inside our world. And just again, I'm using a super flat slash creative mode just to explain this tutorial for you guys, but this will still work for you in your survival world and in your single player world. So I will pause this recording now until the world regenerates, and then I will come back to you. Yo, back guys, do you hear my word? Just make it peacefully. Nice, let's sleep so we can remove the darkness. Oh, the cats become so cute in this version. They sleep on you. Nice, nice, nice. I like this. Anyway, not in a perfect way, of course. Anyway, what we can do is let's search for a cat or ocelot, to be exact, ocelot, and just like so. And just for those who doesn't know where you can find them, basically you can find them in the jungle. Don't like get confused between a cat and ocelot. As you can see, that's how an ocelot looks like, and that's how a cat looks like. You can find cats in the village like so, like this one. You can find cats around it, and you can find ocelot in the jungle wood, which has this kind of trees. Let me just check. I think, yeah, this one. And let's get bone meal. Just for the sake of tutorial, I will show you how the jungle looks like. Just like so. Let's wait. And just like so, that's how the jungle trees looks like. So around these trees you will find a lot of ocelots. So in the single player mode, in the survival mode, I mean, you will not be able to catch one really easy, because basically what they do is, let me just do this, and let's go game mode survival, and they will keep running away like like so. For example, if I go to this one, they're supposed to run away. Wait, let me get a fish first. Game mode creative, and let's get fish. No, here, raw card. Okay, this one and this one. So survival again. So if normally if I go here and then I come back to them, I think they're supposed to run away. So if I stand here, okay, there must be something updated in this version so they don't escape me or they don't run away from me. But anyway, let's see how we can tame them. We can just go to them and give them this type of fish, which is raw kid, as you can see. After you give it to them, they will start like following you, and they will be yours after. So what they can help you with is the same as cat. The creepers fear them, so you can keep your house and your village safe from creepers by spreading these ocelots and cats around your village. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.